हाय फ्रेंड्स, हम सपना अग्रवाल, क्रिएटिव डायरेक्टर एट अंसा आर्किटेक्चर एंड इंटीरियर डिज़ाइन कंसल्टेंसी, और आज हम आए हुए हैं माधवी जी के घर, जहाँ पे हमने इनके घर का शूट किया और आज हम इनसे बहुत सारे सवाल जवाब करने वाले हैं. हाय, हाउ आर यू?
I'm doing good. How are you doing?
गुड गुड. हमने आपका घर बनाया था और आई थिंक अब घर बनने के बाद मैं पहली बार ही आई हूँ. हाउ हैज़ बीन द एक्सपीरियंस?
So, as everybody says, it's a journey that matters,
या.
and this journey was really amazing. All thanks and gratitude to you guys. And I know professionalism is what everybody expects, but more than anything, you guys, took it as a personal experience. For me, it was really amazing, considering that I'm working, I've got two kids, and handling everything was really difficult. But the way you handholded each and everything in making this journey a wonderful experience, hats off to you.
आई थिंक मैं कई बार ही बोलती हूँ, आई थिंक वो एंड से ज़्यादा जर्नी इंपॉर्टेंट होती है, क्योंकि वो जर्नी आपके सपनों को सच बना रही होती है. But over the period, I think we have interacted, we have talked, and we have talked, and we have talked. And I think more than professionals, I value you more like a friend now.
Absolutely.
But जो भी आपकी journey रही, what is it that one thing we could have done better to make this experience a little better for you?
So I really have to think hard about it because the way
Take it as a compliment.
absolutely, your team is fantastic. And in fact, when we started, I was a little worried that how am I going to handle it all on my own? Whether that's shopping, looking for the tiles, looking for, you know, the curtains, the fabrics, and everything. Despite being the fact that you were too occupied and busy, I really failed to understand that how do you handle all on your own. You and your team handholded each and every aspect of making this house a memorable experience, and I'm really, always having gratitude towards you guys.
Thank you so
And
much.
if you'll say what we could have done better, um, seriously, I don't have anything that I could complain of.
No, it's not complaint. It's just probably understanding what could we have done better to make it a little more better in experience. But nonetheless, how's been the experience of all the people who have entered your home, your friends, your family, your extended families? What have been their talk about it?
So one thing which I wanted at back of my mind was I wanted always that my house should look good, amazing. It should not look really very simple or simple even, and it should not look very ostentatious kind of also. So you guys kind of looked at everything the way I want, and everybody appreciated the color tones here, the choice of stone. All thanks to you guys, the way you recommended, and even the POP that we have done on the ceiling, that has also come out really well. And the placement of the master bedroom is fantastic. And the fact that I was working from home and the way you made my home office look good, that's amazing.
So you've got compliments for your
Oh
home
yeah,
office?
definitely. All the folks that came to my house to see during the housewarming and even afterwards, when I invited them for the dinner, it was good.
So you're satisfied with that?
I am.
100%.
Obviously, there will be few things that will always remain there, but
No, there are still few elements that are left to shop.
Yeah.
But apart from that, I think what's what makes your house a home is the heart behind it.
Absolutely.
So the heart behind it is your kids.
And the
Are they
way,
happy here?
yeah, and so the elder one, the way he wanted, his choice was like the tones of grays, and his study, he wanted his placement of computer, and so Divya, the senior designer, she looked at all those aspects really closely, and still remember when I came to your place and you recommended no, it should not be that black, and we should use this hue of gray. That decision really helped, and he's overly excited and happy about using each and everything in his room, especially the washroom.
The favorite aspect.
He really enjoys that.
The favorite aspect is his washroom.
Yeah, and for the younger one, I remember we were talking about that there has to be some place wherein we can keep his Legos. He's really very fond of it.
Yes, we remember.
And means he's able to utilize each and everything in the room the way we wanted, and the Naruto theme on the wallpaper, the back wall. We know it's going to be temporary for the time being,
Yes.
but and that's how you kept it. We can always change it
Yeah,
when we
it
want.
has to be changeable.
So-
Kids just grow out of those
Exactly.
characters.
So that's the practical aspect behind it, and you guys just nailed it.
But when their friends come over and they have parties at home, how are their reactions? Because the kids
So
actually.
I would say more than my friends, it's like my kids' friends who are kind of throwing compliments, and
Wow.
I keep getting calls from their mothers. Hey, what have you done to your house? We would definitely like to come and pay a visit. They keep
Yeah.
complimenting. Oh, Arav and Advik's house is just amazing, and especially for the fact that this is a very old property,
Hmm.
and
Yes.
you just turned it over.
But the house has turned into your home now.
Yeah,
So,
amazing.
yeah. And it's been a great journey with you. I think I found a real good friend with you, for sure.
I agree. I
For
agree.
sure. And we just hope that this relationship continues the way it is.
Definitely. Pleasure.
And thank you so much. Thank you so much for
Thank you.
being with us today.
Thank you.
And thank you, friends, for being with us today. For any kind of architecture and interior design consultancy, you can contact us on www.ansainteriors.com. See you next week. Bye.